So my wife and kids drag me into Hobby Lobby, and while they're looking at the things they want to check out, I'm roaming around and I come across this $30 drone. Now, I've never had a drone, never flown a drone, but I figure for $30, there you go, price right there. For $30, check it out. Couldn't hurt, right? Yeah, some of the features it has here. So I figure for 30 bucks, and give it a shot. Open this bad boy up, fly it around, see what it does. Alright, so I opened it up. This is what you get in the box. You get the controller, you get the drone, which does have a video camera, captures 720p video. A nice little carrying case. Foam inserts for the drone and the controller. Get your USB charger and a screwdriver. Extra propeller. So, can cheap be fun? I happen to think so. But let's charge it up and just see how much fun you can have for $30. Alright, just charge it up, see what it does. Cool. Alright, that's pretty neat. Alright, so I've been out running this thing, and seems 7-8 minutes is about what you get out of it for a battery life, and it only takes 15-20 minutes to charge, if that. I'll tell you, for $30 I can't really complain. Granted, I have no experience with any other drones, never flown one, never had one, so I don't know if there's any other cheap ones out there. But one of the cool features of this is you can actually, has a camera, and it's not going to give you 4K or 1080p. It's going to be 720, but it's not terrible, and you can control it with your phone as well. Take pictures and everything else. So like I said, for $30 I'm happy with it. Cheap can be fun. I may start looking into a little more expensive options. This is a first time I've ever had anything like this, and I did thoroughly enjoy it. So I'll get another one. We'll open it and take it for a spin and see how it goes. Catch you in the next one, guys.